Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nneoma. In case you guys don't know, today we're going to be doing a 90s box braid inspired hairstyle video. I forgot to mention, so before you guys go anywhere, before we even get into this video, I'm going to need you to do one thing for me. I'm going to need you to subscribe. Have you subscribed yet? Have you done it? I'm waiting. Got my watch right here. We're just going to wait for you to go ahead and do that. Time is ticking. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the video now. On to style number 1. As you can see, I have left two braids in the front, and I'm just kind of putting my hair in a ponytail, a half up, half down style. Very easy, quick and easy, very 90s. Holla at your girl. What's up? Who got a problem? You know, very cute style. I love the style. It's actually one of my favorite styles. Like when I had my box braids, it was a favorite style to do. Now we are going to go ahead and do a ponytail style. What usually helps me is I just put all my hair in the front, and then this is pretty self-explanatory. I can't even really explain what I'm doing, but you can see what I'm doing by what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of that. And yeah, this style does get heavy after a while. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So after a couple hours, I do take it down. But it's a really cute style for, you know, like what it is. Very 90s, a nice side ponytail. I wrap my braids around the scrunchie so it can look a bit neater and you don't see the black. So love it, love it. Yes, girl. Peace out. Okay, on to the third style. So this is very 90s. I believe I saw Left Eye do this first, and then that's where I got the inspiration from. So we are going to go ahead and do 3 space buns. Space buns are definitely a thing back in the 90s. You know, I was like 5 at the time, but that's not the point. The point is I was there, you know, and I saw it. So yeah, you're gonna need 3 scrunchies for this style. And yeah, you're gonna need 3 scrunchies. So just wrap it. You know, doing a bun on box braids hair is actually really easy. You just wrap, you just twist and wrap. Very simple. Twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. So on a regular day, I probably would do these space buns a bit neater, but for the sake of the video, I just, you know, how cute is this style, guys? I mean, how cute is she? Right? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it again. See, I told you guys, I was really rushing and I didn't take much time. So let's try this again. We're done. Okay, how cute is this, guys? Do we like? Would you rock this? I know you have to be a bit bold to rock this. I personally didn't get the chance to rock this style while I had my braids in, but I wish I did. This is such a cute style. Okay, so we're doing a little outfit change, just kind of give you guys options to serve some looks. So with this style, very easy. It's a little bit like the half up, half down style, but it's different because it's more of like I use less hair. And it's a cute look. I don't know. I like this look a lot. My nails aren't done. Leave me alone. So this other style, as you can see, we're doing again. We're putting the hair all the way to the front. And we look like we're about to do a bun. Yes, we are doing a bun. Oh my God, I left some hair out in the back. You can see. This is the thing I hate about long braids. Like, you always leave hair out. Okay, I got it. And just the same thing like we did the last time, ladies. Just twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Make sure you twist all the way around. That way the bun will be neater. I honestly could have done a neater bun than this. I can't lie, but for the sake of the video, again, I just sort of rushed it. But take your time with the buns if you need to. But this messy bun is also still kind of a vibe, and it's cute, so yeah. This style I love so much. This style is more of like a regal style to me. It looks like, I don't know, it's just so elegant to me. It just screams like elegance and poise and class. So as you can see, I just twisted my hair. I did a little bit of, I don't even know if you'd call that a flat twist, but in either case, on one side, I then now joined the hair with the twist, and I did this in what, like 2 seconds? It was that easy, that quick and easy. Okay, on to the next style. Very, very simple. We're just gonna do a high ponytail. And we are going to wrap my hair around the headband because I don't want the black to show. And then I think we're gonna add something else to it. Are we, Nneoma? Are we? Yeah, we are. Okay. Look, I came back, guys. I came back with the black scarf, which actually is like leggings, guys. I didn't have a black scarf, so I just used leggings. How cool is that though? Didn't it come out good? Another outfit to change again. I love to style my box braids with headbands. This headband is actually from Ankara. From Ankara. This headband is an Ankara headscarf from Atara Avenue. My girl Kitan's line. Support her. Black business, black owned. These scarves come straight from the motherland, and it's just so cute. Like, it's just so cute. Like, look at that. I can have my hair out, but it won't be in my face because the headband just prevents that. And it's just a really cute style, right? Yeah, I know. Oh my god, it's hot. It's cute. There we have it. So cute. Okay, on to the next style. Listen, I'm giving you guys options, okay? You can never get bored with box braids. There's so much things to do, guys. So many things to do. Okay, so as you can see, I've left out 2 braids in the front again. And we're just gonna do a simple 2 ponytail style. This is really cute, a little playful. But yeah, I mean, who doesn't like a childish girl, you know? Never too old to do childish things, right? Okay, no, I take that back. You are. But how cute is this style? It's so playful and it's so cute. I love it. Hey guys, so this is basically about my last style. I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of other options you can do to style your hair, but yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. Okay, I think you guys get the point. Let me know what your favorite style was. I had so much fun doing this. Like, to honestly take me back to the 90s. The 90s was what a time to be alive.
Flexing on
like, really, the 90s was awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you want to see more videos like this, please thumbs up. Give me some ideas. As you can see, your girl's kind of active now. We out here uploading weekly. Oh my god, I know. Bye.